Well, this relates to the Boranagar police station case. Well, what has happened? Well, this de facto complainants has Shapon Kumar's signature.
Petitioner means three petitioners.
Three petitioners'
So you are
signature.
saying that these signatures do not belong to you.
No, and
Oh.
the entire case has been proceeded by the Pragati Maidan police station, and he was arrested
Yes.
in relation to the Pragati Maidan police station. Now, when the police started searching for this complainant, Shapon Kumar De and Jagannath Ruidas jointly and severally defalcated an amount of 52 lakhs. Detection of the defalcation, while Mr. Ratan Banerjee was asked about such defalcation, he admitted the fact in writing and disclosed the names of Shapon Kumar De and Jagannath Ruidas. Well, I pause
দর্শক
here.
বন্ধু, আমি সনদ, আমার চ্যানেল সনদ সোশ্যাল অ্যান্ড নিউজ। আজকে আমি আপনাদের সামনে এলাম একটাই কারণে, আমি এ পর্যন্ত বিভিন্ন টাইপ ভিডিও আপনাদেরকে শেয়ার করছি, আপনারা দেখছেন এবং আমাকে সাথ দিচ্ছেন। আমি আপনাদের কাছে রিকোয়েস্ট করব যে আমার ভিডিওর মধ্যে কোনো রকম যদি আরও নতুনত্ব কিছু চান, আপনারা আমাকে কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন, আমি সেগুলোকে পূরণ করার চেষ্টা করব এবং আগামী দিন আমি আরও অনেক ভালো ভালো ভিডিও আপনাদেরকে শেয়ার করব এবং আপনারা আমাকে কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। নমস্কার।
This relates to the Boranagar police station case. Well, what has happened? Well, this de facto complainants has Shapon Kumar De was
You are for the state.
state.
Yes. De facto complainant.
Shapon Kumar De was engaged with the petitioners.
You are representing Shapon De.
No, I'm representing the petitioners.
Petitioner.
All the three petitioners. Well,
All the three petitions. Where? Only one case is here.
Three petitioners, madam.
three petitioners.
Three petitions. Okay. Yes.
Now, well,
Yes. Three petitions. Yes.
now, well, Shapon Kumar
You pray for quashing of proceedings. Being
Yes.
clear case number
5962 of 2023. Well,
On which ground you pray for?
well, what has happened? Well, this complaint, Mr. Shapon Kumar De was engaged with the petitioners in their business. They are dealing with chemicals in leather business, and over there, Mr. Shapon Kumar De was engaged. Well, we found
They are the employer.
we are the employer, the petitioners are the employers. And well, we found a defalcation of fund of near about 55 lakhs.
55 lakhs. What is the designation of Shapon Kumar there?
Shapon Kumar De, my lord, used to work in there is no such designation. He used to work in our company. Now, my lord, we lodged a complaint with Pragati Maidan police station. Initially, my lord, no steps were taken. We approached the Honorable High Court, my lord. We preferred a writ petition.
Now,
By-
who is representing Shapon Kumar there? Before
My lord,
None appear.
then, have you served any copy?
I have served, my lord, that's why I prayed for it, because I don't have the file number. Otherwise, I would have produced the affidavit of service. I have served twice. It has been delivered.
Okay, please tell me the fact.
Now,
fact.
what has happened, my lord,
I
when
have nothing to do.
Now, my lord, when we lodged the complaint with Pragati Maidan police station and they started investigation because of the writ petition, my lord, they filed two separate complaints. One by Shapon Kumar De and another by Bobby De, his wife. Now, my lord, what has happened? What are the allegations? That we have gone over there, we have molested her wife, we have done, there has been a fight with them, we have verbally abused, and all these were the allegations. Now, my lord, kindly takes up the two documents, my lord. Initial partnership deed, which shows that the petitioners are is a partnership
page
form, my
number?
lord. It starts from, the amended one starts from page number
Very interesting case.
takes up from page number 19, my lord.
Yeah, yes, amended partnership.
Yes. Now, my lord, there is we are the partners of the firm where Mr. Shapon De was engaged. Now, the defalcation of money which took place, my lord, he was accompanied by one person, namely Mr. Ratan Banerjee. Now, my lord, kindly takes up page 35 once.
35.
Yes.
Yes.
This is a document, my lord, where from we came to know about the defalcation of money
How the defalcation taken place? Had taken
by fraudulently
issuing check,
checks.
and who signed this check?
This,
Whose signature appeared?
My lord, the petitioner's signature.
Petitioner's signature. Petitioner means three petitioners.
Three petitioner's signature.
Signature appeared. So you are saying that these signatures do not belong to you?
No, and
Oh.
the entire case has been proceeded by the Pragati Maidan police station, and Mr. Ratan Banerjee was arrested
Yes.
in relation to the Pragati Maidan police station. Now, when the police started searching for this complainant, Shapon Kumar De, he comes up and filed, my lord, a separate case. I have annexed the documents of the Pragati Maidan police station, which is at page 36
No,
of
you
your law.
showed that Shapon Kumar there was engaged by you. He swore.
Documents.
Yeah.
My lord, kindly takes up the complaint which we have lodged.
by Shapon Kumar there. There is no material on record.
Kindly takes up the complaint which is at page 37.
Yes, 37. Yes. Tell me.
The complaint is at page 38.
Yes.
This is to inform you that I such and such, father's name such, I am one of the directors of Messrs. Wingsung Tannery and also an authorized signatory of the Pioneer Leather Industry. I beg to state certain facts which are very important, material and also a fact of defalcation of fund by 3 persons. Mr. Ratan Banerjee of such and such was our accountant for a pretty long time, for more than 32 years. Since we had good faith upon him, we never used to check the accounts of the company, and we were assured by Mr. Ratan Banerjee on several occasions that everything is hale and hearty and there is no problem in regard to the financial affairs and accounts of the company. Placing reliance upon his statement, we used to issue the checks to our suppliers from time to time, and such checks were prepared by our accountant Ratan Banerjee in the name of Bajaj Chemicals and PR Chemicals. Sometimes in June 2020, we appointed one new accountant in our company to look after the financial affairs of the company, as we observed in recent time that despite our good business, we are running with this shortage of fund as to why. On investigation by our newly appointed accountant, that will be accountant, we came to learn that huge amount of the company have been siphoned by Mr. Ratan Banerjee in connivance with Swapan Kumar De, a staff of the Bajaj Chemicals, and Jagannath Ruidas, sole proprietor of PR Chemicals. The newly appointed accountant of the company found that the checks which were issued by our company to different companies were written by Mr. Ratan Banerjee in such a fashion where after the signature of the partners, the figures of the checks amount can be changed at any point of time. In such a fashion, Mr. Ratan Banerjee, in connivance with Mr. Swapan Kumar De and Jagannath Ruidas, jointly and severally defalcated an amount of 52 lakhs. After detection of the defalcation, while Mr. Ratan Banerjee was asked about such defalcation, he admitted the fact in writing and disclosed the names of Swapan Kumar De and Jagannath Ruidas. Well, I pause here, I have shown you page 35. Who were involved in such defalcation of fund of the company on and from 2012 to March 2020. After detection of the defalcation, Mr. Ratan Banerjee tendered his resignation and promised to refund the money of the company. Since then, I have tried to contact him on various occasions, visited their house, and they have repeatedly said that today or maybe tomorrow, but so far they have not returned any money. Not only that, they are not communicating with us or receiving our phone calls. To date, the amount of money, rupees 52 lakhs, has not been refunded either by Mr. Ratan Banerjee or Mr. Swapan De or Jagannath Ruidas. My personal inquiry revealed that the accused persons dishonestly and fraudulently prepared and used forged and fabricated documents and as genuine used for signatures for the purpose of cheating. In these circumstances, it is crystal clear that the above mentioned accused persons dishonestly and fraudulently misappropriated the entire money to make unlawful gain to themselves and unlawful losses to me amounting to rupees 52 lakhs. Now, this was the
No, there is no mention that Swapan De is your.
No,
employee.
Swapan De is engaged with Bajaj Chemicals. Bajaj Chemicals used to supply us the chemicals because we are engaged in leather factory. Now, what happened, Swapan De used to give the materials and we used to pay him. This person, Ratan Banerjee, who used to be in touch with Swapan De, and they collectively and jointly defalcated the amount. Now, initially, the complaint which was lodged on the basis of which FIR was drawn under 420-406. Subsequently, added section 467 has been added against these two persons. And Ratan Banerjee was arrested and subsequently granted bail by the Alipur court. Now, in the meantime, when the police was conducting the inquiry and looking for Swapan De for custodial interrogation or whatsoever, they come up by lodging 2 complaints, which is at page 42 of your lordship's page.
Whether Swapan Kumar De was arrested?
No, he
Did
was never arrested.
He absconded.
He absconded. He was never arrested.
After initiation of this case, Swapan Kumar De has lost.
After our case, they have initiated 2 cases, one by wife and one by himself. Now, item number 30 is by wife and this one is by himself.
Yes.
Now, let's kindly see page number 44.
44.
This is the complaint, my lord, which has been lodged by Bobby De. Your lordship can see the matter 156.3, my lord,
Yes.
under 156.3 by Bobby De.
Yes.
Now, on the basis of this complaint, my lord, there are 2 complaints, as I told you, my lord. This was by the outpost of
So you are not ready.
That's why I was saying, my lord.
That's why you are
I'm
not ready. Today, but suddenly this matter came. The learned counsel for the petitioners commences his submission but does not conclude. Stop. The learned counsel representing the state has submitted that there are 2 FIRs by the same person.
My lord, one by the.
Petitioner
There
law.
are item number 29, 30.
30.
My lord, two FIRs, my lord, one by the wife and one by the husband.
কি বললাম filed by Swapon Kumar De and Bobby De separately, in respect of self-same matter.
Self-same.
In respect of self-same matter. Stop. It is also submitted that Bobby De is the wife of Swapon De. Stop. It appears that neither Swapon Kumar De or Bobby De is represented before this court. Stop. Let the matter stands adjourned. When? 9th August.
My lord, item number 29 is by Swapon.
আচ্ছা ওইটা লিখে দেবেন ওই যেখানে বললাম আইদার বাই এটা বললাম না আইটেম নাম্বার কত 44
by Swapon De and
29 যেটা আছে সেটা লিখে দেবেন the learned the private respondent Swapon De is not represented আর একটাতে বলবেন it's not represented by the Bobby De Bobby De ঠিক আছে কিন্তু ওইখানে একটা লিখে রাখতে হবে ওই যে ববি দে যেটা আগের লাইনটা ছিল স্বপন কুমার দে অ্যান্ড ববি দে ওয়াইফ অফ স্বপন দে ওটা থাকুক না ওইখানটা লিখে দেবেন এইখানটা ওইখানে কারেকশনটা হবে যদি এটা স্বপন কুমার দের হয় তাহলে লিখে দেবেন স্বপন কুমার দে ইজ নট রিপ্রেজেন্টেড হ্যাঁ প্রাইভেট ঠিক আছে
It's a-
Yes, Daddy.
কেস ডায়েরিটা রিটার্ন হবে রিটার্ন আপনার কাছেই তো আছে ইট ইজ উইথ ইউ
there is a delay,
My lord, case diary is required, my lord.
the city the learned counsel for the state is requested to produce the case diary on the adjourned date. Okay.